Hello, beautiful friends. If you are like me and over 50 and sweating off your foundation by about 11 a.m., especially during these hot summer months, then this video is for you. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jody. Consider me your midlife beauty bestie, where I'm just gonna help you navigate the world of beauty and how we're using it as a tool. It doesn't define us. It washes off at the end of the day, or in this heat, it washes off in a matter of a couple hours. Today, I'm sharing 5 meltdown-proof makeup tips to help your makeup look fresh, radiant, and not like your concealer just slid into early retirement. So whether you're headed to brunch, the boardwalk, or just your backyard, these are my ride or die summer makeup tips for mature skin. Now you might be asking, Jody, how are we supposed to immerse ourselves in the experience of sweat-proofing, heat-proofing our makeup when you're doing this video in a sweater? Well, for those of you that don't know, I live in Seattle, so it's not summer here. It's, guess what? Overcast. But that doesn't mean wherever you are is not summertime. We usually get summer around the 15th of July. Yeah, 4th of July is usually a rain out, but after that, smooth sailing. So I'll be watching my own video in about 3 more weeks. Tip number 1, prime like you mean it. Think of primer as air conditioning for your face, and I mean that literally. A gripping primer locks everything down and helps your makeup stay put. 2 of my favorite is this Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is a very good one. You can get this usually at Sephora, is one of the places that I know carries this one. And my other favorite is the e.l.f. Gripper Primer. Is that how they say it? Yes, Power Grip Primer by e.l.f. I think they work about the same. I don't find a big difference between the 2 of them other than the price point. You want to apply your gripper primer with clean fingertips, press it into your skin, and then be sure to not skip this tip. Let it absorb into the skin for at least 60 seconds before applying your foundation. You're basically giving your makeup a sweat-proof foundation to cling to. Let's talk about foundation. That brings us to tip number 2. Swap out your heavy foundation and opt for a lighter formula, because thick, full coverage matte foundation plus summer heat, well, that's a recipe for meltdown city. So instead, I like to switch to a tinted moisturizer. 2 of my favorites is the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue. If you've seen my channel, you've heard me talk about this one before. It is one of my favorites because it is a lightweight formula and leaves a soft matte finish to the skin without looking dry or cakey on my skin. This is a light coverage. It is buildable, but as you're building it, you sort of lose the essence of it being lightweight. So for a more full coverage, I like the IT Cosmetics CC Cream 50 SPF for, again, a lighter formula, but it still has really good coverage. You can see how thick that is, but again, not heavy on the skin, light formula, but the coverage, phenomenal. The thing I like about this product is you get hydration, coverage, and sun protection all from one product. And a bonus, your skin won't feel like it's wearing a sweater. Tip number 3 is to powder, but only where it matters. Setting powder can be your friend, but only when it's applied strategically. Overpowdering can actually age the look of your skin and make any texture that you have way more noticeable. I like to use a loose powder only where I feel that the oil is going to break through, which for me is definitely in my T-zone and on each side of my nose. You can use any loose powder that you have. I like the Fit Me by Maybelline because when I asked you guys what one of your favorite setting powders are, this came in highly recommended, and so I purchased it. And as always, you guys nailed it. This is a great setting powder. It controls the shine where I need it without making my skin look, what's the word, dusty. We've all had that day where your skin looks, yes, dusty. Feel free to use that. That's a really good explanation of how the wrong powder can, make your skin look dusty. You don't want dusty skin. Tip number 4, cream plus powder combo. You want your blush to last through the heat and your second iced latte? You need to layer it, baby. Start with a cream blush. I'm just gonna use this one by e.l.f. They're highly pigmented, so I'm going to use a little bit of it on the back of my hand. Put it on with your finger. Again, this is a cream product first. Then top it off with a powder blush of the similar tone to really lock in that color. I like this one from NYX because it's advertised as a highlighter, but you can see how pigmented that is. So you get color plus highlight all in one. And then when you put that over your cream blush, you have also a locked in blush that's gonna last all day, bring on the heat. Ooh, look at that shine. This is a pro tip that really works well on mature skin. Plus it gives a beautiful glow without emphasizing fine lines and wrinkles. Tip number 5, setting spray is your new summer BFF. I'm your summer beauty bestie, but think of setting spray as your summer BFF. This is the final step in your makeup insurance policy. Think about setting spray as hairspray for your face, but in the best possible way. I like the Milani Make It Last setting sprays because not only are you getting that locked in setting spray effect, but you can choose between a dewy finish, a matte finish, or one with SPF. So customizing your look while still locking in your look, it's all at your fingertips. Using a setting spray as your final step, this step seals everything in, refreshes your look, and most importantly, prevents meltdowns. Even on those humid days where your hair is giving up hope and maybe you're giving up hope on your hair, you can lock in your makeup look with a setting spray. So it doesn't matter what the hair's doing, you still look good. And there you have it, my top 5 summer-proof makeup tips for mature skin that won't smudge, melt, disappear by lunch, or break the bank. Let me know in the comments which of these tips you're trying first, or if you have a meltdown-proof secret of your own that you'd like to share. I mean, after all, we're all in this heat together. Some later than others, as yeah, we don't have the sun here in Seattle just yet, but like I said, in a couple weeks, I'll be watching my own video to take my own advice. I hope this video helps you summer-proof your makeup look so you stay feeling beautiful all summer long. That does it for me today, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in just a couple days. Bye-bye.